Make a great choice today with the 2015 M3. Taking the already regarded BMW 3 Series, the M version has been taken to new heights. The M letter stands for the company's Motorsports Performance Division and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, keyless entry, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, heated rear seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.